How to add a carousel in a WordPress. Want to make your WordPress website more engaging? Carousels are a fantastic way to showcase multiple images or content in a visually appealing slider. Let's walk through how to easily add a carousel to your WordPress site. The simplest method is using a plugin. Let's dive into the topic now. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard, and this is how the dashboard looks like. And once you're in the dashboard, you can see a list of options or a menu in your left hand side. From the menu, navigate to the plugin, which is right over here. Tap on it, and once you're inside the plugin, tap on Add New Plugin, which is over here. Tap on it. That will open up a search bar for you. You can see a search bar over here. Now in a search bar, type Carousel plugin, then tap on it. Then you will see many options. Look for the plugin with a good rating and a high number of active installations. For this example, we will use a meta slider. It's a popular and user-friendly. Let's find it. So this is meta slider. Once you found it, simply tap on install now. This is over here. Tap on it, then wait for a while when it's installing. And once done, it will change to activate. You can see it right over here. Now tap on activate. Once activated, you will usually find a new menu item in your WordPress dashboard related to the plugin. In this case, meta slider. Let's find it. We can see it over here. Tap on it, and we can see this type of interface. Let's create your first slideshow. For that, click here to create a new slideshow. And once you are done, you can see this type of interface, and over here you can easily add the images for your media library or upload new ones. Click on add a slide button to create a slideshow. So let's tap on slide. It's not working right now, so I'll be explaining you the rest process. Once you tap on it, you'll be asked to add images from your media library or upload new ones, and after adding it, arrange your images in an order you want them to appear in the carousel. Most plugins offer a customization options like transition effect and autoplay setting. Explore this to tailor the carousel in your needs. And finally, to embed your carousel, the plugin will provide a shortcode or a block. Copy the shortcode and paste it into the, I think I saw the shortcode over here. Let me show it. So it's not working. Let's copy this one. You can copy this shortcode and you can paste it into any post or a page where you want the carousel to appear. And that's it for today's video. I'm so sorry for the lagging, but I hope I explained you the whole process or the basic process that you need to know. Adding a carousel is a great way to enhance your user experience and showcase more content effectively. And at last, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.